Changing your email on Monzo is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address quickly. Step 1. Open the Monzo app. Launch the Monzo app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to the account settings by tapping on your profile icon or the menu option, usually found in the top corner of the app. Step 3. Select Personal Details. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Personal Details or something similar. Tap on it to access your account information. Step 4. Update your email address. Find the email address section and tap on it. Enter your new email address in the provided field and confirm it if prompted. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email, look for a Save or Update button. Tap it to finalize the change. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address to verify the update. Once you have completed these steps, your email address on Monzo will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Monzo support for assistance.